What's up, man? It's your boy DSG Solo, you know what I'm saying? It took a while, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't really been posting like I normally post. I ain't posting no car content, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can see, like, show them the car. So you can see, like, the car, like, I haven't did nothing new to it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back to the grind when it's getting a little warm now, so I'm about to start. Soon it's gonna be warm, you know what I'm saying? Like, soon when May hit, I'm doing more car mods, I'm doing a lot of more everything, you know? So I just took a little break, you know what I'm saying? A little depression, whatever you wanna call it. You know, so I feel like nobody on YouTube really messing with my content. Nobody put the hard work I put in. Nobody do what I do, you know what I'm saying? Like, coming from the city and everything else, I just feel like I should have been took off. Like, I know my blow, like, what's the hold up? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that kind of slowed me down and a lot of other shit going on. It's like regular life shit, you know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna show y'all, man, like, we're gonna give y'all good tips, man. We're gonna give y'all the best tips. It's gonna save you a lot of money. It's gonna save you a lot of time. Cause me, fortunately, I wasted a lot of money and I wasted a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? So I got out of work one day, you know what I'm saying? I got out of work, you know, matter of fact, I didn't have to work that morning. I went to the gym, I went to Platinum Fitness, you know what I'm saying? I get my workout in early in the morning. I said, let me go out early in the morning. It's best to go early in the morning if you want to work out, so you got the whole day ahead of you. Thank God I did, because if I didn't, it'd have been a problem. You know what I'm saying? So I went to the gym early in the morning. I started working out, had a good workout, great workout. I'm going to the car like, damn, you know, I got the nicest car in the parking lot. I'm feeling good already, you know what I'm saying? About to go home, it's early in the morning. It's like 7, you hear the birds and shit, it's like 7:30. I go to the car, about to go home, thinking I'm about to go home, a regular old day, not thinking nothing of it. I try to start the car up, the car didn't start up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, damn, the car didn't start up, not alarm going loud, everybody, you know what I'm saying, make a lot of attention then on nice car, somebody probably think I'm trying to steal it, who knows, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, the car didn't start up, and it's cold, and it's real cold, so nobody wants that. So obviously, I waited a little bit, and I tried to start it again, it didn't work, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't even wait, I just tried to start again, it didn't work. So, I called AAA, you know what I'm saying? I called AAA, and they, somehow my insurance didn't have AAA on there. I don't know why. It pisses me off because I pay too much in insurance. You know what I'm saying? So I called AAA. They like, shit, this and that. Anyway, I had to pay like $300 just for them to come over here and start the car. $300 for them to start the car so I can go about my day. And we already know that's gonna happen again. Like, whatever, if they come and start it again, that's not fixing the problem. That's just getting me out of that situation for that moment. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta get another battery, I gotta get an alternator, or I gotta find out what's the problem. And that's the main thing. So I'm like, damn, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I called them eventually, and I was like, fuck it, man, let me wait a little bit. I tried to cut it on, and it cut on. I'm like, damn. So I start driving, and it drive like nothing never happened. The car is driving like nothing never happened. It's a regular, like the problem never happened. It's driving regular now. You know, I never had no problems out of Camaro. I had a Camaro before, and Camaro's the best car. I never had a problem. But anyway, out of a sudden, I'm thinking, I'm like, damn, my car, it did do that before. Like, I did drive, I was driving slow. I was with my girlfriend, I was driving slow, and the car just stopped. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just cut off completely. But I cut it back on, and everything dropped like it was supposed to be. You know, so anyway, I got in, so I'm like, anyway, so like I was saying, the car driving back how I supposed to be, so I go straight to O'Reilly's where I used to work. So I used to work in like the warehouse, but I had a discount, so I go straight to O'Reilly's. Anyway, I got a new battery. The battery was like, what, $300? I paid like $273 for a battery, thinking it's the battery where I cut off like that. Because you never know when it's a problem like that. When the car don't start, you normally think it's a battery. You know what I'm saying? So what I do is, I got a battery. So eventually I got the battery. Everything worked good for that day. The second day I go back to the gym at the same time. It did the same shit. So now I'm knowing that it's not the battery. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm like, damn, I call my mechanic up. He like, shit, just go to AutoZone. You know what I'm saying? Go to AutoZone, go to, you know, anywhere, to any car park place. So I went there, they test my battery. Of course I got a new battery. And I find out my battery in the trunk, guys. So if y'all got a Camaro, the battery's in the trunk. You know what I'm saying? So I found that out. I checked my battery, I checked my alternator, I checked everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything was fine, everything works good. That's not the problem. So I'm like, damn, what's the problem? Mechanic on the street, a regular mechanic that's in the streets, he can't really do that. A hood mechanic, your local hood mechanic, he can't figure that problem out. That's a technician the problem. So he told me, he said, man, look, I'm gonna be honest with you. That's either your key. That's all he said. So I went on YouTube, of course. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to a certain YouTuber. I forgot his name, but he told me what it was. Okay, so now it's either my mechanic told me it's my key. Either my key messed up and my key can't really read the starter and shit like that. It's my key. So either I gotta switch my key out, or either now I gotta get an oil change and I gotta top out my fluids. So my transmission fluids, I gotta top my brake fluids, I gotta top off everything, get my fluids right and get my oil change right. So what I did, I said, damn, I was stressing. I said, I don't know if this is gonna work. It's just a YouTuber saying this. What I did, I switched my key out, guys, and I went straight to get my oil change. I got my oil change. I top out my fluids when I go in there. Everybody goes like, damn, that car bad as hell. Like, that car look good. You know, I get that all the time, but it's normal. But anyway, they're like, damn, try to talk to me about the car. But my whole time, my mind thinking, I hope this car don't cut off, because it's gonna be a problem. You know what I'm saying? But I wasn't so into it with them. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to them at 5 and below and shit like that. 5 fill up, whatever you call it. But anyway, they changed my oil. They top out my fluids. You know what I'm saying? I switched my key out. That's all y'all got to do, guys. Long story short, switch your key out, switch your car keys. Switch your car keys, guys. Switch your car keys out. Of course, I got to get a new one, it's all messed up. Switch your car keys out, get your oil change, top out the fluids, the brake pads, transmission fluids, definitely most important. And once you do that, guys, I promise you, your car is going to be good. Don't panic like I panicked. I thought I was going to have to pay like $2,000, $1,000, because nobody knows the problem. But nobody knows the problem. It's expensive. You know, you got to take your car to Chevrolet, and that costs $140 something just for them to look at it. You know what I'm saying? And everybody got their own problems, guys. Like, everybody not rich. You know what I'm saying? We don't got money to just be throwing out like that. But you got to do what you got to do. So this video right here, this saving y'all guys, man. This saving y'all a lot of money, saving y'all a lot of stress. I'm telling you. If your car cut off while you're driving, if your car cut off when you stop at the light, if your car cut off when you park, anything like that, man, do the steps I said, man. Don't go buy a battery first like I did. Go to AutoZone, go to O'Reilly's, let them check your alternator, let them check your battery, let them check your starter. They can check all them things. If all them things good, guys, I guarantee you, man, this is the problem. It's either your key or it's either the oil change and top out the fluids. You know what I'm saying? This DSG Solo, hopefully I saved y'all some money. I know I saved y'all some money. They say it's a current issue with Camaros. I never had problems with Camaros, but they say this is the main problem with Camaros. My brother got a Camaro. That shit happened to him too. So, guys, yeah, man, get your oil changed, man. Switch your keys out, man. If it's not none of them alternators, starter, or the battery. And I know what I'm talking about. It's 100% facts, guys. It's gonna save y'all some money. It's gonna save y'all a lot of time. I was panicking. Don't panic. There's nothing to panic about. It's a minor issue. It's nothing serious, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Subscribe to the channel for more. I got a Camaro, so of course mine is fully loaded. You know what I'm saying? Like I put mines everywhere around this car. So if y'all got a Camaro, man, subscribe to me, because I'm that guy. If you got a Camaro, I'm that guy you want to watch, because I'm gonna put the best shit on the car. I'm gonna show you how to have the nicest car in your city. You know what I'm saying? When you got a problem, if I figure it out, I'm gonna put it on this channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, this video, I'm not expecting to get so many views, but this video is gonna save a lot of people time, save a lot of people money. It's gonna take a lot of stress off people. So videos like this is probably this is my most important videos for the viewers, for the watchers, for the channel. So y'all like and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all. Comment what city y'all from, and comment if this works. If this works for y'all, comment and tell me y'all, man. And tell me y'all it worked for y'all, man, and everything else, man. I hope this get y'all where y'all need to be and save y'all a lot of money, like I said, man. It's DSG Solo. Y'all subscribe.